Everyone, welcome back. Well, let's learn how to describe a rainy day today in simple English. Well, why are we doing this? Most of the English speakers, when they speak, they freeze. If there is a description topic, they just freeze. After the first sentence, they don't know what to do. Why does it happen? Because most of the people immediately start speaking without any preparation. They don't prepare for ideas or pointers, what to say, nothing. They don't prepare at all. So, as a result, they run out of words, they freeze, and they lose their confidence. Well, I've got a simple tip for you. Think first, speak later. This is the tip. Now, before you start speaking, you'll have to ask yourself, what can I see? What can I hear? How do I feel? And what are the people doing on a rainy day? These are the things that you have to think before you speak. Well, now let's dive into describing a rainy day. We'll start the thinking process first. Are you with me? So let's start it. Well, let's think about a rainy day. What do we see? We see the cloud. Is it gray or dark or cloudy? How does it rain? Is it drizzling, raining, or pouring? What do you hear? Pitter patter sound of raindrops, or thunder, or lightning? What do people do? Usually, people like to stay indoors. They like to read a book or watch a movie. Well, they like to eat hot bhajis, samosas, or pakoras. And what do children do? Well, if it is raining, they like to play outside and they want to float their paper boats. Now, these are the things that you see, you hear, you feel. Now, what do you feel? Now, feeling is, do you feel relaxed? Do you feel calm or peaceful? Now, we are finally ready with our thought. We have got the words, we have got the vocabulary. Now, come, let's build them into sentences. Are you ready for it? Let's dive into it. So, here it goes. On a rainy day, the cloud or the sky is dark and cloudy. The raindrops fall gently, making a soft pitter patter sound. Sometimes, when the sound of thunder, it scares the little children. The trees look green and fresh. The roads are shiny and wet. The muddy puddles are filled with water, so these are causing for the traffic jams. Now, if the rain is light, the children love playing outside, making their paper boats and floating them. And kids love to wear their lovely raincoats. Women like to take out their lovely colorful umbrellas, carry it. And what do people mostly do is they like to stay indoors. They like to stay at home, read a book, listen to some wonderful music, and they like to watch movies together. Well, when you're watching movies, you like to eat something. So here comes our hot, spicy pakoras, the mirchi bhajis, and the samosas. And I feel really peaceful and relaxed on a rainy day because it's welcoming, it's refreshing after the hot summers. So, this is my idea of a rainy day. I want you to comment on a rainy day about your experience. I would love to read them. Happy learning. See you in the next video.